Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we will show you how to remove carpeting from staircases. Now, removing carpeting from stairs is a very similar process to removing the carpet from the floor. Start at the top of the steps and cut away the stair carpeting using a sharp utility knife. After you cut the carpet away, start pulling the carpet from the steps and work from the top of the steps to the bottom. When the carpet is pulled away, then you can roll it up and tape it up for disposal. Don't forget to check with your municipality to see how to dispose of the carpet properly. Once the carpet is pulled away, you'll find the carpet pad. Now, the pad can be removed in similar fashion to the carpeting. Use caution removing the tack strips as they are very sharp. They should come up pretty easily with a pry bar. Pick up the tack strips on the edges away from the tacks and the nails. Pull the pieces of pad away from the stairs and the risers. When the carpet and pad have been removed, then you can move on to the cleanup. I find it easiest to work from the top down. And now, depending on who installed the carpet, there could be a few staples or a lot of staples. To find them, I suggest using a scraper or a dustpan to search around, and when you hit one, use a pair of needle nose pliers or a nail puller to remove them. You may need to pop the staples up with a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver. And if you miss some staples, don't worry. When it comes time to lay the new flooring, you'll find them. Now, you may also come across a nail or two sticking up from the subfloor. Go ahead and pound those back in using a hammer. And there'll be a lot of dirt and debris left over. Sweep up as much as possible before you move on. Maybe use a wet, dry vacuum to get the floor as clean as possible. Keep working section by section, and pretty soon your stairs will be ready for your new flooring. If you'd prefer to have a professional do this dirty job, then just contact your local Ace Handyman Services. Coming up next, our paint expert Annie will show you how to paint stairs and risers.